Secure Specialists.
We all know passive infrared sensors, PIR. Not a rocket science, it's a motion sensor, right? Well, not anymore. Our EPIR is a standard-sized motion sensor, which also contains a standalone alarm panel, wireless and a built-in GSM module. It's so easy to arm or disarm the EPIR. Just use your mobile. We even provide the iOS and Android apps for your phone. Installation is plug and go. All you need is an active SIM card and a simple electric outlet, or even a car's cigarette lighter. No additional wiring is required. EPIR is perfect for apartments, small shops, kiosks, trailers and summer homes. Even construction companies use it to secure their premises. The list just goes on. EPIR informs you by text message, call or app push notification if anyone enters a secured premises. And more. It has an integrated contact ID protocol so that the monitoring stations receiving any alarms will understand it clearly, even when you connect more than one wireless detector for securing up to 32 zones. So, 10 authorized users, a built-in microphone for covert listening, an output for a siren, and a backup battery, just in case. EPIR, the system you can install all on your own in just 5 minutes. We think you've demanded exactly it. Customized by you, produced by Elvis.
MAS, Safe, Secure Specialists.